best thing to be, free as a bird. Follow me on the track with a heart that's bright and light as big can be. Whatever happened to the life that we once knew? Can we really live without each other? Where did we lose the touch? It seems to me not so much. It always made me feel so free, as a bird. That's the next best thing to be, free as a bird. Follow me on the track with a heart that's bright and light as big can be. Whatever happened to the life that we once knew? It always made